really excited about the science fair at TAS this year. For me, the main benefits of holding a science fair like this are to enhance the science literacy of our students across all the different science disciplines. And perhaps even more importantly, just to build up the communicative competence of our students so that they feel confident communicating in an academic manner across science and other mediums.
We're choosing AB Chemistry not because we love chemistry, but we know that AB Chem gave us a lot of opportunity to do new things. We meet new friends, new teachers, we do new experience, we know a lot of knowledge, and also I'm really thankful that teachers always help us in our process of doing AB exam. And yeah, we're really happy to have an opportunity to join here as an AB Chem gangs.